Alright, hit that thumbs up button. I am about to show you a shortcut so you can completely miss Franklin, North Carolina. So if you come off of my route for old 64s, we're on Old Murphy Road right now, which used to be 64 into downtown Franklin. But if you're heading back to like 28, we're going to take a left-hand turn right here on West Main Street. Back in the olden days, this was the road. So where this truck is turning, we're going to turn left. We're absolutely going to miss Murphy. This is Green Street off West Main. Now this is like seriously a residential area. You see all the beautiful homes here. I'm about 98% sure that this is the Mexican neighborhood of Macon County. That is a new trailer. Somebody got themselves a brand new trailer. If you take a right there, it'll drop you out at the Sunrise, Sunset, something restaurant on Old 28. But this is your Mexican neighborhood. There's Chavez, WNC. People do haul ass through here. Somebody moved the speed bump. One of these neighbors put a speed bump in, I guess, to slow people down. It's 20 mile an hour, but you know nobody's doing 20 mile an hour. You know nobody's stopping at these two stop signs. So this was, back in the day, this Harrison Street, this used to be 28. So when you come out of Franklin, this was 28 back in the day. See the little sign right there, 228? Yeah. Yeah, in the 90s, there was no 228. You were sitting on it. If you were on this road going through this turn right here, you were on 28. Alright, we're going to leave this guy. So I don't remember when they changed this. I remember that what's 28 now kind of takes you right to where the old hospital is. The hospital's been since closed, but this is the new 28 right here. This road didn't used to be here back in the day. There was no right turn back in the day. This was just a curve to 28. So here we are, we're back on 28, North Carolina, South Carolina, 28. And this road will take you all the way up to the Deals Gap store. Hope that shortcut helps you. In the daytime, when there's a lot of traffic and Franklin's busy, that shortcut is awesome, especially going in the other direction. If you're coming down 28, and you just want to get around Franklin and go to Way Road or go somewhere else, Way Road's going to be one of those videos that I do shortly, the next couple weeks. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button.